Keansburg, New Jersey. Let's go. Let's do a time check. 7:16 p.m. Sunday. Let's go. Sunday vibes. Great weather. So right now it's about 75 degrees, but it feels warmer. So the weather is nice. It feels like 80 degrees. I don't know why it says 75. My weather app is actually pulling from Point Pleasant, so it may be a little warmer here. So I'm thinking we're like at like 80, almost 80 degrees. That's what it feels like. That's all that matters. Let's go.
How much is you got the phone? It was a little bit late for you, Aaron.
Got the ice cream spot over here. Very popular ice cream. A lot of people getting their ice cream on right now.
Where are you going? Come here.
Icy cream, that's what I call it, icy cream. Everything has a Y on it. I don't know, that's just how I talk. Icy cream. So they got rides back here too. They got the classic rock going on. We could take a little walk through here. Check out the rides, a little bit of the swings going on, and we have also the roller coaster here, but we have some music. I have to talk over it. Some classic rock music, so especially when it's pretty loud. Right now it's pretty loud, but it's okay. We got it. That's what we do. All right, so the rides aren't really moving right now, but it's okay. So we'll swing back this way. Let's go. Let's cruise over here. All right, so we have the amusement park right here. All right. So yeah, it's pretty jumping down here. Pretty jumping down here, not bad. Pretty cool. All right. So let's take a stroll over this way. Okie dokie, let's go. All right. Let's go fishing. We got a little shark game there. 2 games for $5. Probably a pretty good deal, right? 2026. Anything 2 for $5 isn't a bad deal in 2026. You're lucky you get like 2 for 100 or something. Two for 50, right? So all right, they got the bumper cars again rolling, rocking and rolling, the bumper cars. We got some snow cones over here. Dippin' Dots ice cream, or yeah, ice cream and Dippin' Dots over there. Got the game room over here. We didn't walk into the game room today. I don't know if there's much going on here. We could check out the game room. Nah, maybe not this time. I'd rather stay outside because it's so nice out here. Real quick, we could check the bumper cars real quick. Let's check the bumper cars real quick. Got the bumper cars rocking and rolling. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Cool to see the bumper cars rolling. Super dope, super dope. So let's go, let's go. We got more people coming this way. So yeah, it's not like super packed here, but it's pretty jumping. It's pretty cool. Not so bad. This is comfortably busy, actually comfortably steady, this place. Comfortably steady right now. You're not like packed in like sardines, you know? Pretty cool here. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
I definitely have mine.
First thing for the fucking day.
Got the fish and sips over here. Seafood. Cotton candy. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Good times, good times. All right, yeah, here we go, the cha-cha song. From my DJ years, I know all about that jam. That's always a necessary song with a lot of things, a lot of events. Got the balloon darts over here. Got tickets. How much are the tickets right now? Let's see. Let's see how much these tickets cost. So one ticket is $1.50. It says for one ticket. Got the balloon darts rocking and rolling over here. Got the basketball going on over here. Hot shot basketball. The pavilion bar right here. Pretty jumping over here actually. We got Cheesy's Pizza over this way. Pavilion Grill, cheesesteaks, ice cream, sausage sandwich. Got everything over here. Got burgers. Got combos, chicken fingers, drinks, snacks, heroes, desserts. Heroes, hoagies, subs, whatever you call it. Everybody's got their name for it. Every store has a different name for a hoagie, sub, hero, whatever you want to call it. Right. Stroll. And they got the water slide over there, the water rides, but I don't really see a lot of people on those rides, or anybody on those rides right now across the street. Okay, let's roll. All right, people are getting off the ride over here. The race cars. All right, Keansburg. Got the military Jeep right here, super cool. Super cool, super cool, super cool. Keansburg, New Jersey.